Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your Messenger app logging you out automatically? It's frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Messenger auto logout problem on Android and iPhone. So let's fix it. First step is to update Messenger app. Go to the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger and tap Update if available. Bugs in older versions can often cause logout issues. Second step is to clear cache. On Android, go to Settings, scroll down and locate this option called Apps and tap on it. Tap on the search icon at the top right and search Messenger. Scroll down and tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless the issue persists. Third step is to check for multiple logins. If you're logged into Messenger on multiple devices, it can cause security auto logout. Log out of unused devices by going to Facebook app. Tap on the menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Now here, tap on Accounts Center. Scroll down and tap Password and Security. Now here, tap on where you're logged in and check for multiple logins. If Facebook suspects unusual activity, it can auto log out Messenger. Fourth step is to change Facebook password. If Facebook suspects unusual activity, it can auto log out Messenger. Fifth step is to check internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause session timeouts. Also, make sure Messenger has permission to run in the background. On Android phones like Samsung, auto close or optimization can force Messenger to stop. For that, go to Settings, find this option called Battery, and go to Background Usage Limits and remove Messenger from sleeping apps. And that's how you fix the auto logout problem in Messenger. If the issue still continues, uninstall and reinstall the app after backing up your chats. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.